From Studio 550, this is the McGraw Show on KTRS.
All right, let's check markets. Not necessarily a terrible day, unless, of course, you own financial stocks. And then there was another one on the chin. Scott Crothers from Stifel Nicolaus. What is going on?
Well, it wasn't a bad day yesterday. Actually, the Dow was off 22 points, closed at 19,805. Now, financial shares rebounded. As Janet Yellen said, interest rate increases will be steady for the next few years. The Federal Reserve will likely raise rates twice a year for the next 2 years. Now, a rising interest rate environment is good for financial stocks. So the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury rose to 2.39%. So you should have had a pretty good day yesterday.
Yeah, I guess I'm buying the wrong financials. I got to come in and talk to you again. All right. Let's check. Speaking of financials, let's talk Goldman Sachs. What's going on there?
Goldman Sachs and Citigroup reported earnings yesterday, capping off the best fourth quarter for big banks in years. Goldman had a 70% surge in bond trading, while Citigroup had its best fourth quarter since the financial crisis, and both posted numbers that were better than expected. So that's good news.
All right, good. That's Goldman Sachs. What about inflation? We haven't talked about that in a while.
Well, inflation at the consumer level came in up 0.3% last month and up 2.1% for the year. This is the first time it's been above 2% in 2.5 years. The Federal Reserve target rate for inflation is 2%, so this is more data confirming rate increases are here to stay. Consumer inflation is measured with the CPI, a monthly reading of the price we pay for everything from gas and groceries to gym memberships.
All right, good. And then finally, Netflix. What's going on there?
Great news out of Netflix. They reported their biggest subscriber growth in history. They added 5.12 million abroad, 1.93 million here in the U.S. They ended the year with 93.8 million subscribers in total, and 49.4 million of those are in the U.S. Revenue increased 36% to $2.48 billion, and their profit jumped 55% to $66.7 million.
Wow.
It's a great story.
Yeah, that is really kind of insane. That's amazing because so many people give their Netflix password to other people. So even though you said 93 million people, it's like 180 million people are watching it, but only 93 million are paying for it.
I know, it's kind of crazy.
Yeah. All right, markets today, how do they look?
Today the Dow looks flat. We get first-time unemployment claims and housing starts this morning, plus more earnings, so it should be a busy day.
All right. We appreciate your insight. Come back and tell us all about it tomorrow.
Hey, sounds great. Thanks.
Scott Crothers with Stifel Nicolaus here on the Big 550 KTRS.